So this is a pretty exciting day for the channel. A couple days ago, I posted on Twitter that I made about a $3,000 investment that was going to greatly improve the channel. And guys, it is finally here. And this little bitty that we will get into later, but this is what I am most excited for. Guys, we have ordered a brand new laptop. This is going to be the laptop that I use for streaming and video editing. Basically anything that I do with the channel will be done on this laptop, and I cannot be more excited. We're gonna crack this thing open. It came in today, and oh my gosh, this is gonna be great. Woohoo! That was very satisfying indeed. Oh no, it's upside down. Pull this bad boy out. Oh my god. Nothing else in there? Check this out, guys. The 16-inch MacBook Pro. Oh my god. I'm super excited. It's a lot heavier than I expected it to be. Definitely a lot heavier than I expected it to be. But why don't you say we rip this thing open? Do I need a knife? Nope, it's got a pull tab that I messed up automatically. It's like Christmas. Does anyone else feel satisfaction when you're tearing open a new product and it's like shrink wrapped or whatever? Gosh, this box is heavy. I was not expecting it to be this heavy. Oh, that was satisfying. Yeah, look at how thick this box is. I don't know if you guys can tell. This box is pretty thick. I mean, what else are you expecting? The computer. Wow. So, got a little thing to pull it out. And this is my new computer. Covered in a bit of a plastic film, I think. We're gonna set this aside for right now. Inside the box, it looks like we have instructions and warranty information, you know, all the goodies that you'll find in a regular Apple product. We got some of this, got some stickers. Coda, you like stickers? You like stickers. All right, so we'll save these for Coda. Get a closer look at these stickers. Really, really nice. And what else we got in here? I know there's something else in here, but there's nothing else in here. Okay, so what else we have? So we have the USB-C power adapters that connects to your computer. Very interesting. Fun fact, I had no idea that USB-Cs were a thing until I was doing research for this laptop. I had no idea that they were a thing. I was accustomed to just regular USB, so this is what's going to be used to help power the device. And then we have our little outlet right here. By the way, I am not a tech person. I don't know the technical terms to these things. This is a power bank, I think is what you call it. I don't know. This is what you use to plug into an outlet, and this is a lot more beefy than my other laptop. A lot more beefy than my other laptop, which I'm very surprised and very heavy, but as they sometimes say, bigger is better, and I can only assume with it being bigger, it'll, you know, power it up a lot faster. So I'm definitely excited for that. We're gonna set those to the side, and there's literally nothing else in the box. Nothing else in the box. We have a really thick box, nothing else in it. It's a waste. Anyways, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I'm super excited to break this thing open. Let's get a load of this bad boy. This is $3,000 film right here. $3,000 plastic. This is nice. And I got it in the darker model too. So it's a little bit darker than standard MacBooks. But you can see it's pretty freaking thin. It's really thin. Not quite as heavy as I was expecting it to be. The box added most of the weight to what I was feeling. So I'm super surprised with that. Very sleek, very modern. I really like that. Let's flip this bad boy open. Oh, we got the sleeve in here to protect the screen. Let's rip this off. Oh yeah, that is satisfying. Oh my god, it turned right on. I didn't touch any buttons, it turned right on. See that? What the heck? So already, I just pulled the sleeve off and Apple already knows that it's being turned on, so I can go ahead and get in there and set it up.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
She speaks. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. And just based off of that sound alone, that little audio that we got, it looks absolutely incredible and sounds absolutely incredible. The trackpad is massive. Look at the trackpad. I don't know if you guys can see. The trackpad is massive on this thing. Oh my goodness. It looks so sleek. And another thing that I was super excited for, that when I was doing research on this, is this bar right up here that, you know, once I get everything set up, it'll light up and it adds some functionality to it. And there's also a fingerprint scanner over here as well that also serves as a power button, I believe. That is really cool. So just to give you guys an idea of what I've been working with in the past, this is the laptop that I just ordered. This is my MacBook Pro that I got back in 2014. So I've been rocking this thing for, what is it, 6 years now, just about. And just a general comparison between the two, they weigh just about the same. I actually think that this one's a little bit heavier, but they weigh almost just about the same. But you can kind of tell that this one is definitely thicker than the 16-inch. And doing general comparisons, just putting them side by side, it is insane, the difference. This one's so much thicker, but so much smaller. And one of the main concerns that I had when doing research on this is that a lot of the modern MacBook Pros that they make today have USB-C ports. So these two ports on the side over here that I'm going to be zooming into later, there's 4 of them. And it comes with a headphone jack, thankfully. And I was like, where are we going to plug in USBs? Because for my streaming, my webcam and my mic both plug into the computer. Plus, I have an Elgato HD60S capture card that needs to plug in here for when I do live streams for video games. So my solution, doing some research online, which I hope this is it or else this is going to be really embarrassing, was a bit of a docking station that you can plug into the MacBook Pro 16-inch. And so let's tear this bad boy open. The Totu USB Type-C hub. You can't really. Totu USB Type-C hub. Let's tear this bad boy open. Came prepared. Probably shouldn't have done that. Always cut away from you, kids. Don't do what I just did. So this particular product I ordered off of Amazon. Doing research. This is not the most expensive model that they have, but it's also not the cheapest. It's right in between over here. And this is, wow, this is a lot smaller than I anticipated it being. What is this? Carry pouch. It comes with a carry pouch? What in the world? It comes in a little carry pouch, which is interesting. Not something that I was expecting to see. Return product information. Product overview. This is like your instruction manual, I guess. But this is a lot smaller than I anticipated it being. Wow, but this is really nice. And I like that it matches the laptop. It matches the color of the laptop. I don't know the best way to do this without scratching up my... It matches the color. I like that. That was completely unplanned. I had no idea what the color was going to be, but again, it's got the 2 USB-C ports, so it can plug right into the laptop. Oh god, this is going to scratch it up. I don't want to scratch it, but it's inevitable. It can plug in right here, and it'll just be used like that. So this comes with USB-C power so that you can charge your laptop as normal. Comes with an HDMI port and 3 USB ports over here, plus it's also got a slot right down here for SD cards and micro SD cards. So I can plug in my SD card from this camera, my Canon G7X Mark II, and plug it right into the computer and do the editing that I need to. So I figured that this was definitely going to be a worth it purchase. And so far, I am very satisfied with what I am seeing here. So, I will come back later on with a review of this MacBook after using it for about a week and after editing a few videos. This video that you're watching right now is most likely going to be edited on this computer, and I gotta say, the primary reason why I got this computer, because this old clunky boy right here that I have is from 2014, and it is just running very, very slow. The processing power is not what it needs to be, and it takes forever and a day to edit videos, and with Final Cut Pro it skips around, it jumps, and it just does not do what it needs to do. And for live streaming, I can't even connect my Elgato game capture to this because this is a dual core processor and it needs at least a quad core. This is a 6-core processor with, I think, 516 gigabytes of RAM of memory. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of other specs that I will list on the screen right now. This is one of the cheaper models. This is not as expensive as it can go. If you really juice up this bad boy online, you can pay upwards of $6,000 for this computer if you max it out with all the specs that it needs. But I got it right in the mid-range of where I need to be. I don't need it to be the best computer out there, but just this base model alone is definitely going to help me keep the channel going and definitely help me crank out better videos. So I am super excited for this. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I am super excited to try this out and to have this. The videos are only going to get better and better from here. The theme parks are going to be opening up soon, so I'm going to be using the hell out of this computer. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like down below, subscribe if you're new around here, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this laptop. If you guys do have this laptop, or if you have any experience with this type of MacBook Pro, please let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comments section below. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, and evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.